Most of the tutorials are self-explanatory and are designed to suit both face-to-face as well as online students. However, I made a couple of minutes video for each week tutorial to explain the content in that particular week. So it is beneficial to watch those videos before you start the tutorials for that particular week. In week 1 tutorials, you will be doing research on most prominent technologies, hardware virtualization, and service-oriented architecture that paved the way for the evolution of cloud computing. You have two tasks to complete, task 1 and task 2. In task 1, you will be comparing the most widely used hypervisors and answer the questions in the given task. While in task 2, you will do detailed study about the protocols used in web services. Most of the web services are built either using SOAP or REST protocols, so understanding of these protocols is a needed knowledge to understand the underlying technologies in cloud. Please note your answer to each question is about 1 page. So the total number of pages for this tutorial submission would be approximately 5 pages. It is important to answer these questions with adequate required content because your lecture quiz and the final exam will have questions directly from the tutorials.